What's good, YouTube? It's your girl, Nene Bossellini, back with another mukbang. And today we have, this is a sub from Motorcity Casino called the Motor City Dip because it comes with all juice. I got some fries here. I got the Motor City Buffalo Wings. I have some mac and cheese from Cattleman's. So I'm gonna get into this before it gets cold. Excuse me, because I'm going through some things right now. I said I was not gonna bring my personal life onto the internet, but you know. Did I say this mac and cheese was from Cattleman's? Cattleman's makes some good food. Cattleman's, they have cheeseburgers, ribs, prime ribs, pork chop. They make everything. And their food is so good. I don't want to come on here threatening nobody. Ain't got no sauce on here. I don't want to come on here threatening nobody or nothing, but right now I'm having problems with a bitch about a nigga. I mean a man. I'm having problems. It is what it is. Look at that. I'm gonna lick my motherfucking fingers. Look at this. Good as hell. Okay, this is the au jus. Let me see how this is with the au jus dip. Let me see. Oh, damn. Damn. Them little peppers. Y'all see these peppers? Them peppers. Ooh, them peppers make the sandwich slap. I don't even know what these peppers is. They're probably banana pepper. Child. Child. Yes, ma'am. Girl, that motherfucker sub slap. Girl, one time I burped so loud. Girl. Girl, I burped so loud. I had the whole motherfucking cafeteria shaking. It was one of those belches. What the hell? So let's see what's been going on the streets, y'all. Let's stop by some people room. See what they come out. Oh, I don't know what's been going on with Muriel. Mm. No, let me tell you all what happened. Child, I went to casino a couple of days ago, and I had ordered this. I had ordered the Motorcity dip sub with some wings, with some buffalo wings. How I leave that stuff out overnight? I threw that. I had to throw that stuff away. Damn, I was so mad. Mm. But I went back and got some more. My comps, I got comps built up, baby. Okay, I can eat for a whole fucking month. All that shit, probably more than that. A few months. To get there and to get back. Nails was just an example, sweet pop. My nails aren't even done. I don't know what they meant by talking about.
When she came on here, wasn't that her content?
Pretty much because that voice is mediocre at best. Like, she can cut the push and the sing and shit because it's just a basic ass. Now, not everybody can sing, but okay, you can carry a 2-inch, but it's basic. It's not anything that make the hairs on my arm stand up or give me chills or no shit like that. And then you talking about people got AIDS, bitch, your man fucks around in that community. So what are we talking about here?
Right. And that's what Super said. Did he say? He said, "Your nigga up there getting fucked by another nigga."
Somebody in our community, you're part of the LGBTQ.
Girl, y'all, I was into this motherfucking ranch. I mean, their wings and this mac and cheese. I almost forgot about the damn corned beef sandwich. This shit good. Y'all gotta let me know what y'all want me to eat next. I was driving back from the casino. So, I seen Bucharest Grill. I love me a chicken shawarma. I like gyros, prime rib. I like everything. Y'all gotta tell me what restaurant in Detroit I know it's a 75 South.